Hi, I am Jayashree. Today I am going to show you the best use of old pen. Hope it will be nice to watch you. Here I use a pen, gum and wool. At first I use gum and cover half of this pen like in this video. Then the other color and full cover. Thus 15 pen with cover ready. This is cardboard and I am cutting it like a circle. Then cut toward paper as size as cardboard. Now cover this cardboard with art paper using gum. Now I point 15 marks as same distance. I take beads, needle and thread. In turning beads, I use gum to attach beads with thread and pen. Then bind this. Then second is ready. Next third, as same process but they are hanging below from their first. Here now cut all extra parts. At last, make a hanging point using wool. Now it is ready for hanging. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get my new video notification.